Linking your bank to Metro Credit Union is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Visit the Metro Credit Union website. Go to the official Metro Credit Union website. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your information is secure. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your Metro Credit Union account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Escrow to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Add your bank information. Select the option to add a new bank account. Enter the required information such as your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, you may need to verify the account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Metro Credit Union into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank should be successfully linked to your Metro Credit Union account. This will allow for easy transfers and management of your finances. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.